Good day to all employers. I'm Annalisa Camania, 36 years old, married. I was born on December 2, 1975. I live in Agoo, La Union, Philippines. I took up hotel and restaurant management at the University of Baguio. I've been working here in Hong Kong for almost 12 years as a domestic helper. My duties are taking care of newborn babies and children, cleaning, car washing, marketing, cooking, ironing, and pet care. I'm a hardworking, patient, honest, flexible, responsible, and happy person. I can cook Chinese food, Western food, Thai food, Korean food, Japanese food, and Filipino food. I love reading books and watching TV. I want to work in Bahamas so that I can give a better future for my son. I hope you can give me an opportunity to work with your family. Thank you very much.